If your Thunderbolt display goes black intermittently, this guide shows how to fix it. First, observe when it blanks, at startup, on wake, or during use. Check the Thunderbolt cable, power connections, and test with another Mac. Reset power and perform SMC and NVRAM resets, then retest the screen. If the issue persists, power off and carefully open the display for inspection. Inspect the board for burned components, bulging capacitors, and cracked solder joints. Gather tools, Torx drivers, a temperature-controlled soldering iron, flux, and magnifier. Identify the faulty power IC or capacitor and mark the component for removal. Desolder the damaged part using controlled heat, then clean the pads with solder wick and flux. Solder the replacement component with steady technique and use a magnifier to verify joints. Reassemble the display, reconnect all cables, and power on to test the repair. The screen now shows a stable image with no blackouts. Backup data and seek professional help if unsure.